Hello everybody, welcome back to Bizarre Repairs and Reviews. On today's video, we have this FITCAMX Dash Cam with loop recording, G-sensor, Wi-Fi, and 4K. But best of all, this thing is a perfect fit for your vehicle. So FITCAMX makes these dash cams that fits seamlessly into your car, so you're not going to have to run any wiring or stick them to your window. They actually fit perfectly for your vehicle, per your vehicle exclusivity. So you will put in your vehicle make and model, and they will ship you this dash cam, which is a custom fit for your make and model. So let's get it unboxed, check it out, and we'll do a quick installation video. Then we're also going to show you the app that you can download as well. So stay tuned. All right, now let's get the device out of its packaging. And once again, this is the FITCAMX Dash Cam for the Jeep Cherokee 2014 to 2023 model. And this has an OEM hidden design, so it matches the factory look with a one-to-one fit. This is exactly how the factory trim looks, except this one has a camera, which is oh so much better. Now we also have the USB tool. We'll talk about that later. And this is the power connection here that we'll get from the car and we'll plug into the camera. And we have our little tool to remove the trim. And this is the vehicle I will be installing it on. Once again, 2017 Jeep Cherokee. As for the installation, it is very easy. You're just going to remove this trim. You kind of flex the sides down like I did and pull down. And then you're just going to remove this secondary trim. Just kind of wiggle that around, and that will come right off. Same thing with the main trim here. What I did have to do was adjust the rear view mirror a couple times, and then I finally got this to come right off. And with that, the hardest part is done. Now you'll go ahead and just press in on this tab and pull out the connector. Then you will click this into the included connector, and the other side will go back into the original port. Such an easy plug and play design. And just like that, we are good to go. There's just one last connector that we have to install. So we're going to make sure we unpeel that film for the camera and connect that last connector, and pretty much we are all done. Now we have to go ahead and just reinstall. This one could be a little tricky. Just make sure you get both sides clipped in, and you'll hear it snap into place, and it should be completely locked back into place like it was before. Alright, and that's how it should look. Everything is nice and locked back into place with its plastic tabs. Just looking at the device itself, you have your two buttons for power and for your screenshot, and you have your included 64 gig micro SD card, which can be upgraded to 256 gigabytes. Included, you also have a USB-A and USB-C micro SD card reader in case you want to pull your footage off manually. But the best way to get your footage is using the FITCAMX app control. It connects via the built-in Wi-Fi to view, download, or share footage instantly. No mobile data required, and it works with iOS and Android. So powering on the device, we can see the lights come on, and we are now going to connect it to the FITCAMX app just by connecting to its built-in Wi-Fi. You'll see the name here says car. You'll just connect right into that. And voila, look at that. We have a live view from our phone, which gives us all the abilities with settings. You can take pictures, stop video, play video, take screenshots, save, download files directly from the app. You also can scroll through all your settings like sound recorder, video resolution, loop recorder, timestamp, driving collision settings, and much, much more. You can also format the car directly from your phone, which is nice, and it's exactly what I'm doing right here. Next up, you can also download video and take screenshots from the app as well. Now let's get on the road and show you some more features. It supports loop recording and up to 250 gigabytes. You also get crystal clear 4K video and a G-sensor emergency lock that automatically saves impact footage, so it's never overwritten. I'm telling you guys, if you're looking for an OEM install with a minimalist look and seamless app control, you're going to want to try out the FITCAM Dash Cam for Jeep Cherokee. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.